In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Live Translate in Chrome Mobile. So if you're browsing foreign websites on your phone, Google Chrome has a built-in Live Translate feature that can instantly convert pages into your language. So first, open Google Chrome on your mobile. Now tap on the three dot. On Android, it's in the top right corner. On iPhone, it's usually at the bottom right. Now from the menu, swipe to the right and tap on Settings. Next, what you need to do is to scroll down and look for languages. Tap on it. Inside the languages section, make sure the option Offer to send pages in other languages to Google Translate is turned on. So if this is gray, that means it's turned off. So tap on it to turn it on. So this enables Chrome's translation feature. Now what you need to do is to go back and start browsing any website that's written in a different language. Now, when Chrome detects a foreign language, a translate bar will automatically appear on your screen. So tap Translate, and the page will instantly switch to your preferred language. If you want Chrome to translate automatically every time, tap the three dots on the Translate bar, then select Always Translate to language, whatever language. And from now on, Chrome will live translate pages without asking. If the Translate bar doesn't show up, you can trigger it manually. Just tap on the three dot menu again, scroll down and select on Translate. And that's it. You can now browse websites in any language on your phone without needing external apps. Thanks for watching.